Hello, I'm Prashant, and today's topic is monetary policy. So, monetary policy is the process by which the country's central bank, in our case India, RBI, helps to control the monetary supply, the money supply, the interest rate, and the availability of the credit in the country. Now, it does so because the primary objective is that it needs to have a price stability, it needs to support the growth of the country, and also it needs to maintain the financial stability of the country. Now there are various tools through which the RBI maintains its monetary policy. Firstly, there are policy rates, in which there are repo rate, reverse repo rate, and bank rates. Then they have the open market operations, through which they do the selling and buying of government securities in order to increase or decrease the rates. Then we have the CRR and SLR, the cash reserve ratio, which mandates the amount of reserve that the bank needs to have. Now, under the RBI Act of 1934, which was amended in 2016, it states that the monetary policy has a specific mandate that the inflation needs to be maintained at 4% with a spread of around 2%. Now, also it states that the monetary policy should support the growth of the country, and it should help maintain the financial stability. Now, there are two types of monetary policy. First one, we have the expansionary monetary policy, which tells that it increases the money supply in the country and also decreases the interest rate. It is used when the country's growth is slowing down or there is chances of recession. And on the other hand, we have contractionary monetary policy. In this, we increase the interest rate and cut down the money supply in the country. It is used when the inflation is rising rapidly and we need to control that. Now, in the recent announcement by the RBI, the changes that were made was that the repo rate was decreased from 6.25% to 6%, and the stance was changed from neutral to accommodative. Now, this clearly indicates that we are moving to a exponentially monetary policy. Thank you.